If I was going somewhere today, but I'm not. Hey babes, welcome back to another video, and today I am here to show you something different. So this is not going to be a bag unboxing, but it is going to be a bag accessory unboxing. So for those of you that have been on the channel, you know a while ago I unboxed my all-in BB TM LV collab. I love this bag. This bag is so cute. I will link the original unboxing down below. But I had a company reach out to me by the name of Fanji, and Fanji was nice enough to send me a bag organizer. So for those of you that know, a lot of the LV bags are beautiful, but doesn't come with different compartments. It's literally like a bucket bag. This is the organizer, so they do come in a few different colors. So if you have, say you have the all-in BB in the classic LV monogram, they do have a different color, so you can match, you can choose whatever color matches the bag you're looking for. So this just will help me with organization and storage in my bag, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit. This is what the bag looks like without the organizer. As you can see, it's just one big space, so the organizer fits in perfectly, and it's going to help keep the shape of my bag as well. So now I can go back and add in my things. I had some really cute sunglasses in there. Check these out, baby. Period. These are so cute. So that way when I'm going to look for things, I don't have to like deep dive. Oh, these are so cute too. I got these from YouTube. I actually really like these a lot. Oh, these is fire. If I was going somewhere today, but I'm not. So in here, I have a Tide on the go for, you know, them stains. I have a charger. I think this is for my selfie fan. My keys. Hand sanitizer. Keys. This little tree keychain. And bam! Look at that. Now everything is organized inside of my bag. How convenient is that? I want to let you know the shipping is amazing. This shipped super fast. I literally had this in less than 48 hours, and it came in this box here. Super cute. Grass in here, and this bag product information. I love how fast the shipping was. Now if you guys are interested and you want to check them out and get an organizer for your bag, I do have a discount code, and that code is all in BB15. I will put that right here on the screen so you can use that code and it'll save you 15% off your purchase. So big thank you to Fanji for sponsoring today's video. Let me know if you guys use bag organizers. These are like new to me. I usually just let my stuff roll all over the bag, and when it comes time to look, I just deep dive. But I'm loving this new organization. So let me know what you guys think about that. Definitely check out the unboxing for this bag, that original video. And thank you guys for clicking on another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.